What is the ECTS Credits calculator and how does the calculator works and why this ECTS credits needed for? And how to convert our grade into ECTS and how to convert our marks into German grades. If you have these questions, then hi, welcome to How to Abroad. And today we're going to answer all of these questions. ECTS Credits Calculator or European Credit and Transfer and Accumulation System is basically a grading system. Moreover, this helps students in hopping from one university to the other by providing them with a common grading platform. Furthermore, the grades are subdivided on a scale from A to F. In a nutshell, ECTS is a platform that facilitates students in their studies by this credit transfer system, which will provide due recognition to the study obtained in the previous institute. Let's take how this credits calculator work. After completion of every course, seminar or module, student receives ECTS credit points. Each point depicts the workload they accomplished in that particular period. A few examples of ECTS points are 60 ECTS credits are dedicated for a full year of academic study, 120 credits for a 2-year master's degree program, 180 ECTS credits in relation to a 3rd-year bachelor's degree program, and 240 ECTS credits are dedicated for a bachelor's degree program that extends up to 4 years. Now let's look into the ECTS grading scale. Moreover, there are several prominent international study destinations that are using ECTS system, namely the UK, Germany, Sweden, France, Spain, Ireland, and Netherlands. Furthermore, one ECTS credit points may be equivalent to different study hours depending on that country. For example, one ECTS equals 30 study hours in Germany, Belgium, Romania, and Hungary. And on the other hand, one ECTS equals to 27 study hours in Finland. And again, one ECTS equals to 28 study hours in Netherlands and Portugal. And again, one ECTS equals to 25 study hours in Austria, Italy, and Spain. Study hours are divided into lecture and self-study hours. Self-study means the given time to complete an assignment and understand the subject matter. It refers to the time spent on work outside the class. So if you have 1 hour of lectures and 1 hour of out-of-class student work weekly, each for 15 weeks, that equals to 30 hours, and that is one ECTS credit. You can ask here, is this just to calculate a number into another number or any other advantages are there of this credit? And my answer will be yes, there are several advantages, and those are: you will have the liberty to pursue a bachelor's degree from one country and master's from another within the European Union. Since education is recognized all over the European Union, you can get a job anywhere. And with this grading system, there will be simplified academic paperwork, less differentiation among students from local and international universities. The number of credits will remain the same, irrespective of the discipline. Even though you drop out of a course due to some emergency, ECTS credits will aid in providing your academic achievements so that you don't have to take the same courses all over again. Since ECTS Credits Calculator has its fair share of benefits and allows students to opt for different study destinations during their learning years, meanwhile, it simplifies the transfer of students' academic achievement from one university to another. But how to convert our grade to ECTS? No need to worry. I'm putting the link of the calculator in the description. You can calculate from there. In that calculator, you just need to mention there hours spent in lecture per week, hours spent in self-study per week, and number of weeks in a semester. And you have to just submit it and the ECTS credit will be reflecting on your screen. If you are from out of Germany and worried about how to convert my marks into German grades, then don't worry, I'm putting the link of that calculator. You can just need to fill the details and that will be calculated very quickly. And hence, that's all about ECTS Credits Calculator. And if you think, if I have missed anything, just comment down below and let me know. And if there's anything else you want to ask, then just comment down below. I'm here to answer you. For now, if you like this video, just click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and wait for the next video. Until then, ta-da, bye-bye, and take care.